A new day brings fresh progress at Camp Nou, where construction continues despite light rain. From active concrete work at the upper levels to rapid facade development, the stadium is evolving fast. The first row of Lamas is nearly complete, while structural and interior work advances across multiple sections. Every corner of the site shows movement, precision, and momentum building day by day. Let's take a closer look at all the latest updates. At the upper levels, a concrete pump is operating, supplying material to the third cantilever tier. Concrete pouring continues, reinforcing key structural zones as the stadium rises in scale. Although no new vertical pillars have been installed near the south stand recently, materials remain staged and ready, suggesting imminent placement. The second cantilever level shows strong activity, with lifting platforms and workers handling large quantities of materials. Stacked components remain visible in the background, awaiting installation. Interior work is progressing, though partially obscured by beams. Welding activity is visible, with sparks indicating ongoing metalwork and assembly. One of the most significant updates comes from the south stand façade. Crews are installing ceramic Lamas, continuing the flowing exterior design. The first row of Lamas is nearly complete, with only a few pieces remaining. A crane and lifting platforms are coordinating, lifting, positioning, and securing each element. Once completed, work is expected to move upward. Meanwhile, in other sections, anchor points and support systems for future Lamas are being prepared, indicating installation will expand across additional areas. New walkways between structural sections are advancing. Flooring has been installed on one side, while the adjacent section remains in progress. At ground level, construction remains active with work on drainage systems surrounding the outer edge. Recently poured concrete surfaces are being integrated with water management channels, essential for durability. Protective barriers and temporary safety installations are also being placed along exposed edges. On the north stand, another concrete pump is positioned at the upper levels, supporting ongoing structural work. Nearby, welding and assembly tasks continue on elevated platforms. Some seating sections remain incomplete, with prefabricated elements yet to be installed. Additionally, surface preparation, such as anti-corrosion treatment, is still underway before further facade elements can be added. Across multiple zones, workers are installing steel components and connectors along the front edge of the lower cantilever. These elements appear to support future facade or safety structures. In adjacent areas, cranes are lifting structural pieces into place while crews secure them with bolts and fittings, ensuring alignment. New materials continue arriving on site, including large structural elements and sandwich panels for enclosure systems. Several sections, particularly near the corners, are at different stages, with some frameworks nearly ready while others still require assembly. Stockpiles of large metal tubes and other components suggest upcoming work phases will intensify. Near the outer corners, excavation and wall preparation are ongoing. Surfaces are being cleaned, shaped, and prepared for finishing layers. In some areas, painting and protective coatings are already being applied. Meanwhile, dust control measures, such as water spraying, are being used to maintain safe working conditions. Construction at Camp Nou is moving strong despite minor weather and matchday pauses. The first row of facade Lamas is almost done, with structural work progressing fast. With fewer interruptions ahead, work on the facade and upper levels will speed up. That's today's update from Camp Nou. If you're enjoying this update, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.